the Vice-Chancellor, University of Jos, ably represented, principal officers of the university, all represented here, provost of colleges, deans of faculties, directors of directorates, esteemed professors, members of Senate, heads of departments and units, academic and non-teaching staff, distinguished students of the University of Jos, great Josites, distinguished invited guests, security personnel, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great joy, deep pleasure, and honor that I stand before you to present the citation of my brother, someone whom by the grace of God is an accomplished animal scientist, a teacher par excellence, a role model and mentor, Professor Uchele Okpanachi, the 123rd Inaugural Lecturer of the University of Jos. Professor Uchele Okpanachi was born on the 1st of September 1982 in Ida local government area of Kogi State. He is a native of Ida local government area of Kogi State and was born to the family of Elder and Deaconess E.U.S. Okpanachi. He began his primary education at the then Army Children's School, Mokola, Ibadan, completing it at the University of Agriculture Staff School, Makurdi, in 1994, where he was made a class monitor in primary 6. Thank you. He then proceeded to Akwe Secondary School, North Bank, Makurdi, for his secondary education. In 2005, he obtained his Bachelor in Agric Animal Production from the Kogi State University, Anyiba, where he graduated as the best in the Department of Animal Production and the second best in the Faculty of Agriculture. He earned his Master of Science in Animal Nutrition and Biochemistry in 2009 from the prestigious University of Nigeria, Nsukka, so he's a lion. And a postgraduate diploma in education from Usman Danfodio University, Sokoto. Professor Okpanachi obtained a PhD in animal nutrition from the then University of Agriculture, Makurdi, now known as Joseph Sarwantaka University, Makurdi, in 2014. Beginning from his undergraduate project, during which he fed rabbits with different inclusion levels of harnessed Bambara nut waste, Professor Okpanachi has been practicing circular economy in animal feeding. He studied the effects of abattoir waste, graded levels of sun-dried bovine rumen content on rabbits as his MSc dissertation. And for his PhD research, Professor Uchele Okpanachi, seeing the high volume of cashew apple pulp, which causes environmental pollution on a yearly basis in a state acclaimed to be the largest cashew producing state, compounded a dry season feed for West African dwarf WAD goats with 99% food-related waste after studying the nutritional composition of both red and yellow varieties of the cashew apple pulp. Due to his exceptional leadership qualities, he has held some leadership positions during his undergraduate and postgraduate studies, among which were he served as Public Relations Officer and later General Secretary of the National Association of Agricultural Students, Kogi State University branch. He served as PRO of Ida Students Association, KSU, Subzonal Coordinator of the Nigerian Christian Corpus Fellowship NCCF in Ehime Mbano in Imo State, and then General Secretary, Graduate Students Fellowship, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, among others. His career and development journey started during his industrial training at the National Veterinary Research Institute in 2004. In 2007, the then Vice-Chancellor of Kogi State University, Aniba, Professor Francis Suleiman Udachaba of Blessed Memory, retained him after completing his NYS in 2006, and that is because he graduated as the best, retained him as a graduate assistant, having graduated as the best student in his department in 2005. Through the mercy of God and dedication to his duties, in addition to hard work, he rose through the ranks of assistant lecturer between 2009 and 2012, lecturer 2 from 2012 to 2015, lecturer 1 from 2015 to 2018, senior lecturer from 2018 to 2021, reader from 2021 to 2024, to the prestigious rank of professor on the 1st of October 2024. His contributions to scholarship and professionalism. I'm delighted to inform you that Prof. Uchele Okpanachi is a registered animal scientist, is a member of the Animal Science Association of Nigeria, ASAN, is a member of the Nigerian Institute of Management, is a member of the Nigerian Society for Animal Production, is a member of the Nigerian Institute of Animal Science, is a member of the Biotechnology Society of Nigeria, North Central Region, is a member of the Agricultural Policy Research Network, a member of Bioethics Society of Nigeria, and the coordinator of Society of Christian Scholars, University of Jos. He has successfully supervised a number of undergraduate final year projects, MSc dissertations, and PhD theses. Out of the several research endeavors, Professor Uchele Okpanachi has published over 83 publications, including 56 in peer-reviewed journals, 25 in edited conference proceedings, 1 in a published book of abstract, and 3 chapters in books which are currently in press. He won the Federal Government Scholarship Award for undergraduates during the 2002-2003 academic session. He won also the Kogi State University Prize for the best graduating student in the Department of Animal Production in 2004/2005 session, and was inducted into the Roll of Honor, Nigerian Society for Animal Production, NSAP, in 2022. His research on the effects of eggshell meal on the performance of layers and their egg quality won him an all-expenses-paid trip to the African Unity for Renaissance International Conference and Africa Day Expo, held from 21st to 25th May 2017 at the Freedom Park, Pretoria, South Africa. His manuscript is also among the few selected and published in the African Journal of Science, Technology, Innovation and Development. The link is provided in the published lecture. During his first term as HOD in the Department of Animal Science, University of Jos, Animal Production, University of Jos, he, together with his colleagues, secured a collaboration between Grand Cereals Limited and the Department of Animal Production, and this collaboration contributed to teaching, research, and learning in so many ways. It was during his tenure as HOD that 7 postgraduate programs of the department were established, and the first resource verification/accreditation of the Nigerian Institute of Animal Science was carried out at the department. Prof. Uchele is also working on some grants to assist the research of some of his students. He has attended over 18 conferences locally and internationally, and has been part of several trainings. Prof. Uchele has served and is still serving at various levels within and outside the university. Apart from being part of several community developments, he has been involved in external examination of students and assessment of staff, which are listed in the book that you have. And notable among his leadership responsibility is his current role as the Deputy Dean of the Faculty of Agriculture, and also his role as Deputy Director, Training and Research, TECFON Center of Excellence in Food Security, University of Jos, both of which commenced in 2025 to date. He has an external assessment to several places, including Uniagric Makodi, Northwest University, South Africa, National University of Lesotho, and several others that are listed in the book that I will not read for want of time. He has been involved in extensive community service, notable among which is that he has been serving as the team lead for Animal Husbandry 2 for National Examination Council, and has been a resource person for WAEC and several other responsibilities. There are about 25 of them listed here that I may not be able to go through for want of time. He has also been involved in extensive consultancy services, rendering his professional expertise to various agencies, and a few of them include development of training manuals and training of farmers under Fadama Advisory Services, The trainings were on broiler production, pig production, cassava production in Akwe in Kogi State, Nigeria. That was in 2014. He was a sub-consultant and livestock analyst for Enviplan International Limited, where he carried out computation of state-by-state projected water requirements for animals for 2023 up to 2015 within the states in the Benue River Basin during the development of feasibility studies for water resources development and management under the Trimming 2 project funded by the World Bank in 2023. He has also served as consultant and livestock analyst to the same Enviplan International under the African Development Bank funded PDAC projects in 11 locations across 4 states, cutting across the Upper Benue River Basin Development Authority and the Sokoto River Basin Development Authority, amongst other consultancy works that he has been involved in. Now to his family and commitment to excellence. By the grace and mercies of God Almighty, the life and family of Professor Uchele Okpanachi has encouraged those around him. He is happily married to Mrs. Gift Chichin Okpanachi, and they are blessed with Josephine Ojochigbe, Timothy Ojo Mideju, and Joanna Oredojo Godia as their wonderful children. He has been a loving husband to his wife and a responsible father to his children. He is a role model and mentor to the youth around him. Professor Okpanachi's commitment to excellence of those he mentors is commendable. He is fond of encouraging students to strive to graduate with the best class possible, and those close to graduating with the first class, he has been involved in encouraging them to work harder, while those who are at the borderline of probation, he has also taken out time to teach them what to do to get out of it. He achieves this through one-on-one counseling and academic excellence seminars. He also takes out time to enlighten and mentor younger colleagues in the area of the requirements for promotion and the required job ethics. His growth and development from the scratch have been through the mercies and grace of God, in addition to hard work and dedication to his duties. As we celebrate and honor him today, by the grace, special grace of God, we are listening to the first inaugural lecturer from the Department of Animal Production and the Faculty of Agriculture, University of Jos. I implore you, therefore, to listen with rapt attention to his research journey, key findings, and future research vision, which are beneficial to the university community, the society, the nation, and the world at large. Distinguished Vice-Chancellor, ably represented, principal officers of the university, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is my singular honor to present to you the 123rd Inaugural Lecturer of the University of Jos, Professor Uchele Okpanachi, RAS.